Cadbury. The very name evokes images of creamy chocolate, colourful wrappers, and pure indulgence. Founded in 1824 by John Cadbury, this British institution has been delighting taste buds for almost 2 centuries. From its humble beginnings as a small shop in Birmingham, England, Cadbury has grown into a global confectionery giant. Despite its massive scale, Cadbury remains true to its founding principles of quality and craftsmanship. Each day, millions of chocolate bars roll off their production lines, each one a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to excellence. Cadbury's legacy is built on more than just chocolate. It's about creating moments of joy, sharing, and celebration. Whether it's a simple chocolate bar enjoyed on a break or a box of roses gifted on a special occasion, Cadbury has become synonymous with sweet memories and shared happiness. Join us as we venture behind the scenes at Cadbury, exploring the intricate processes and dedication that transform humble cocoa beans into the beloved chocolate treats enjoyed by millions worldwide. Our journey begins on the lush cocoa farms of West Africa. Ghana and the Ivory Coast provide the ideal environment for cultivating high-quality cocoa beans. Generations of farmers nurture the cocoa trees and harvest their precious fruit. The journey from bean to bar is meticulous. Ripe cocoa pods are carefully plucked from the trees. Inside each pod lie rows of cocoa beans encased in sweet white pulp. These beans hold the essence of chocolate. After harvesting, the beans undergo fermentation. Spread out on banana leaves or in wooden boxes, the beans ferment for several days. This process, driven by yeast and bacteria, develops the chocolate's flavor. Once fermentation is complete, the beans are dried under the sun. These dried beans are shipped to Cadbury factories around the world. Upon arrival at the Cadbury factory, the cocoa beans undergo a transformation that awakens their hidden depths. The first step in this alchemical process is roasting. The beans are carefully roasted at controlled temperatures, a process that enhances their flavor and aroma. Roasting is a delicate dance of heat and time. Too short and the beans remain underdeveloped, their flavor muted; too long and they become burnt, their taste acrid. Cadbury's master roasters with years of experience ensure each batch is roasted to perfection, coaxing out the optimal balance of sweetness, bitterness, and complex notes. Once roasted, the beans move on to the grinding stage. Here, powerful machines crush the beans into a thick, gritty paste known as cocoa mass. This intense, aromatic substance forms the very foundation of Cadbury chocolate, its rich brown color hinting at the indulgence to come. The aroma that fills the factory at this stage is intoxicating, a heady blend of roasted cocoa, chocolate, and a hint of something almost magical. It's the scent of childhood memories, of special treats, and of pure, unadulterated happiness. What transforms ordinary chocolate into the iconic Cadbury Dairy Milk is the unique blend of ingredients that come together in perfect harmony. To the rich, intense cocoa mass, fresh milk and sugar are added, each ingredient playing a crucial role in creating the signature dairy milk taste. Cadbury sources its milk from local dairy farms, ensuring the highest quality and freshness. The milk, gently pasteurized to preserve its delicate flavor, adds a creamy sweetness that perfectly complements the intensity of the cocoa. It is this addition of milk that gives dairy milk its characteristic smooth texture and mellows the bitterness of the chocolate. Sugar, the essential sweetener, is added in precise quantities, balancing the flavors and creating the indulgent treat we all know and love. Cadbury uses a blend of sugarcane and sugar beet, ensuring a consistent taste and quality in every bar. The combination of these simple yet carefully selected ingredients is a testament to Cadbury's commitment to quality. It's this dedication that has made dairy milk a beloved classic, enjoyed by generations of chocolate lovers. Section 5. The pursuit of smoothness, the conching process. The journey from raw ingredients to silky smooth chocolate involves a crucial step known as conching. This time-honored process, developed in the 19th century, is essential for creating the melt-in-your-mouth texture that Cadbury chocolate is renowned for. Conching involves heating and stirring the chocolate mixture for several hours in large, dedicated machines called conches. The constant agitation and heat serve multiple purposes. Firstly, it helps to distribute the cocoa butter evenly throughout the mixture, creating a smooth, homogeneous texture. Secondly, conching helps to refine the flavor of the chocolate. Volatile acids, naturally present in cocoa, are evaporated during this process, reducing any bitterness and enhancing the overall flavor profile. The longer the chocolate is conched, the smoother and more refined its taste becomes. Cadbury takes pride in its conching process, understanding that it's this dedication to detail that sets their chocolate apart. It's a testament to their commitment to quality and their desire to create a truly exceptional chocolate experience. Section 6. Precision and perfection, molding and cooling. With the chocolate mixture perfectly conched and its flavor fully developed, it's time to give it its iconic shape. This stage, a blend of precision engineering and careful timing, ensures that every Cadbury Dairy Milk bar is uniform in size and appearance. The liquid chocolate, still warm from the conching process, is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. These molds, meticulously designed to create the distinctive Dairy Milk bar, are a testament to Cadbury's attention to detail. Every groove and indentation is carefully considered, ensuring that each bar is instantly recognizable. To eliminate any air bubbles that might have formed during the pouring process, the molds are gently vibrated. This ensures a smooth, glossy finish on each bar. Once the molds are filled and free of air bubbles, they are transported to a cooling tunnel. Here, the temperature is carefully controlled to ensure that the chocolate solidifies evenly and develops its signature snap. The cooling process is as crucial as the previous steps, ensuring that the chocolate sets properly and maintains its shape once removed from the mold. Section 7. Automation at work, wrapping and packaging. As the cooled chocolate bars emerge from the cooling tunnel, they are ready for their final transformation. Wrapping and packaging. This stage, a marvel of modern automation, ensures that each bar is protected and preserved, ready to be shipped to eager consumers worldwide. A symphony of robotic arms and conveyor belts springs into action, each movement perfectly synchronized. The bars are swiftly yet carefully lifted from their molds and placed onto a conveyor belt. Here, they are inspected one last time to ensure that only perfect bars continue on the journey. Once deemed worthy, the bars are whisked away to the wrapping machines. Here, they are enveloped in the iconic purple and white Cadbury Dairy Milk wrapper, a symbol of quality and indulgence recognized around the world. The wrapping process is incredibly fast and efficient, with machines capable of wrapping thousands of bars per hour. Finally, the wrapped bars are placed into their designated packaging, whether it's the familiar purple Dairy Milk bar, a multi-pack, or a gift box. Each package is sealed airtight, ensuring that the chocolate remains fresh and protected until it reaches the hands of the consumer. Section 8. Beyond the bar, croissants, cakes and more. While Cadbury is best known for its iconic chocolate bars, the company's expertise extends far beyond the realm of solid chocolate. Cadbury also produces a delectable array of other treats, from flaky croissants to decadent cakes, each one crafted with the same dedication to quality and flavor. Cadbury's croissants, a breakfast staple for many, are a testament to the company's baking prowess. Layers of buttery dough are carefully laminated, a process that creates the signature flaky texture. These croissants are then baked to golden perfection and filled with a variety of sweet or savory fillings. In the cake department, Cadbury's creations are nothing short of spectacular. From simple sponge cakes to elaborate layer cakes, each one is a masterpiece of flavor and decoration. Expert bakers combine fluffy cakes with creamy frostings, fresh fruit, and intricate decorations, creating edible works of art that are as pleasing to the eye as they are to the palate. Cadbury's commitment to quality is evident in every product they produce, whether it's a humble chocolate bar or an elaborate cake. Each treat is crafted with care and precision, using only the finest ingredients and time-honored techniques. Section 9. A sweet future, innovation and sustainability. Cadbury's success is not solely based on its rich history and commitment to traditional methods. The company is also a leader in innovation, constantly seeking new ways to improve its products and reduce its environmental impact. This dedication to a sustainable future ensures that Cadbury will continue to delight generations to come. Cadbury is making significant strides in sugar reduction. They are exploring ways to reduce sugar without compromising taste or texture. Sustainability is another key focus for Cadbury. The company ensures their cocoa beans are sourced from sustainable farms. Cadbury is working to reduce its carbon footprint throughout its operations. By embracing innovation and sustainability, Cadbury is ensuring a sweet future for itself and for chocolate lovers everywhere.